When you're ready, my good man, we are good to go. This is the big man here on the Cagiva. Harry's down from Queensland and he rides bikes. Yeah, try it again. Sounds good. Sounds good. Looks good. Taking me a couple of months to sort it out, but yeah, what a machine. Far out. Thanks, Warwick. Thanks, Warwick. You're a top bloke. I got the bike from Warwick. He lives in Wentworth Falls, and yeah, that's my replacement. Don't scratch it. What do you think?
Nice,
what do you think? Yeah, see?
Nice.
See? Yeah.
I like it. For me. I love it.
It's got a great note, isn't it?
Jeez, it's got good brakes, eh?
Yeah.
Nice and yeah, it's bloody beautiful, isn't it?
Well, they're Brembo brakes and
Yeah. They're nice and just you can feel them with a touchy, aren't they? They're nice. They're there, aren't they?
Yeah. So it really is. I mean, Warwick, the guy I bought it from, is such a nice chap. So I feel really privileged in having it. So
Beautiful machine that is. Oh, yeah. That's nice.
Any last words there for young
awesome,
guns?
Awesome. Oh no, I'd love to take a street ride. Oh, it'd be awesome. Beautiful bike, mate. Bloody awesome.
Okay, good. I'm happy you like it. Yeah, it's fantastic.
Yeah. Awesome, mate. Bloody awesome. Young guns. Oh man. Yeah, man. What a beast. What a beast. Yeah, she's a good neck, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, guys, signing off for now. Arthur and Harry from Young Guns Motorcycles. Hope you enjoyed this quick video of the Cagiva Raptor 1000cc. This is a 2000 model. Enjoy the sun. Until next time. Bye-bye.